So he give us the peace to the world. He give us the mercy to the, he become the mercy to the whole mankind. And he bring the Islam, complete form of Islam. The time of the Prophet Adam or Noah or Abraham or Jesus, Moses is also the Islam, but it was incomplete. But the time of the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, the Islam become completed. That's why Allah said in the Quran, Al-yawma akmaltu lakum dinakum wa atamamtu alaykum ni'mati wa raditu lakum al-Islam madina. Today we completed your religion for you, and we accomplish our mercy, our blessing upon you, and chosen for you the Islam is your religion. And the meaning of Islam as a religion is to submit to commands of only one God. That's the meaning of Islam. Submission to the commands of only one God. The one God who created the universe and who created everything. Follow his commandments, that religion called Islam. The meaning of Islam is a religion which commands you to follow the commands of only one God. And a Muslim is the person who follow the commandments of only one God. And Muslimin is the plural of Muslim. Those people who are following the commandments of God, they are called Muslimin. They are, you can call in the simple word, submissive. Those who are submissive to the commands of God, they called Muslims. So if any Muslim who doesn't follow the commandments of God, you cannot call him Muslim, because Muslim means a person submissive, who submit to the commands of God. And one of the great thing in Islam, which is the very special power of the Islam, is your character. We see the bad character, one of the bad character which I am seeing it with my own eyes, and a lot. Every country you can see this very bad character, and that bad character called a corruption. One person, he make corruption, and he bring the money of the people, millions of dollars, even the billions of dollars, they will take away from the people and they use for their own selves and their families. And they live in luxury with that stealing money. The corruption is stealing money of the people who are giving this, on everything they pay taxes, and they pay this some surcharges and excess duties and this and sales tax and the VAT, and that money of the people being stolen by the people by the way of corruption. They say, I was in the school, I learned this hadith, Ar-Rashi wal-Murtashi kilahuma finnar. The one who give the bribe and the one who collect the bribe, both will go in the hellfire. So what these people, those who are in the world today, the governments people or the politicians or mayors or governors or whoever they are, many countries of the world, they are corrupting, they are stealing the money of the people. What will happen on day of judgment? They will be questioned by the millions of people. The millions of people will complain to God. God, these people, this person, these people, they stolen our money because they make corruption.